Okay. Moving on to three-step problem today. You guys ready?
No.
Hey, we're getting
Are you for real?
there.
We're getting there.
We're going from mass to multiplication.
So yes, we're gonna stick with that P205 equation. How's that sound?
I don't want
Yeah.
No.
Hello.
I guess we'll learn.
So here's the equation. You might want to jot this down. Hey, there it is.
How
Got
do
it.
they know how to write down that?
You don't.
What?
How do they know how to write the equation?
From this?
Yeah.
You wouldn't. That's why I'm giving it to you.
Nice.
That's
Did you tell him to ask the question?
No.
Oh.
She brought it up and then I was like,
You can ask the question, Quinlan. I'll give you the answer. I know, I'm scary.
You are so scary.
Ow. No, I've learned a lot over 6 years of
You're
teaching.
not scary.
it's only your 6th year.
My 6th year.
He's so young. Oh shoot.
I feel
I
old.
did
6 years? Holy cow. Can't believe I made it 6 years, to be honest. And they make it 2.
This is what my
That's what I was
dad's
thinking in
one-
kindergarten.
Okay. All ready? What's really nice about these, I think honestly, the three-step problems are the easiest ones.
Nuh-uh.
I'm telling you this
Dude,
right
I'm
now.
literally doing it.
I've done this enough to know. Okay? And I'll explain why. What are you starting with?
Grams, mass of what?
Starting here.
What you're given.
Which means we're right here, correct?
You were right.
Yeah.
Okay? Where are we going?
To mass.
Okay, so now it's mass to mass, and it's water and different substances, so we're gonna have to cross the bridge. We're going from mass to mass. Here's why these are almost the easiest, is because they're bookend molar masses with a mole ratio in the middle. Every mass to mass problem, bookend molar masses with a molar mass in the middle. Okay? So anytime you think, if you see mass to mass, you should be thinking three-step problem, molar masses at the ends, or at the bookend, and then you're going to have your mole ratio in the middle. So here we go, starting with what we've been given. Oops, right, forgot to put the substance in. Set up a three-step problem. Grams of, we said H2O, is that what we said?
Yeah, true.
Okay, there's our big picture. Woo.
How did you know that it was gonna make H3PO4?
Because I've taught it a long time and I just didn't give you the equation.
So we weren't supposed to know that?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I was wondering too. I didn't know that. From the 2 minutes ago, got asked the same question. All right, ready? Okay, so you can see at the beginning and the end we have molar mass. Okay, so we're really good, I think, at molar mass at this point, I feel like. Okay, so this is going to be a molar mass. This is going to be molar mass. Are they going to be the same? No, we're at different substances. We're crossing the bridge. And in the middle, we cross the bridge, which is our what? Mole.
Small ratio.
Okay, there it is. Now follow the units. What's got to go on bottom?
205.
Okay. And what's the other thing that's going to be with molar mass?
Moles.
Okay. Are we switching substances here? No, we still are doing the same substance. We haven't crossed the bridge. Okay? We're going to have to do some work. However, if you want to look back at a previous lesson to find the molar mass of this, I'm not opposed. I'm pretty sure in a previous lesson we found the molar mass.
1.94.
Okay? Now, you guys, anyone not know where that number came from?
That's what I got wrong on the worksheet, so I think it's wrong, but we're on the side of time.
Are we?
Aren't we?
Only 10 minutes.
What? Oh,
Okay? So this would be what this would be just quickly?
It's like 7. Okay, what?
Let's just go.
Six.
Oh, 6 minutes?
5. Oh, I was looking at the wrong. Wow. Okay. So 2 times phosphorus plus 5 times oxygen.
Oh, okay.
From the periodic table, you would take 2 times more
Oh,
mass
that
of
thing.
phosphorus plus 5 times more
One
mass of
thing.
phosphorus.
That thing. One very important thing.
Okay. All right. Next steps are mole ratio. Again, follow the unit train here.
1 mole P2O5 at the bottom.
Moles of P2O5. Why did you say 1?
Because ask me.
Because where are you getting it from?
Recipe.
From the recipe. Because we're in the mole ratio. Okay? And then this is where we would go to a new substance. So,
Stop
okay,
that.
1, and what is the H2O number?
3.
From the recipe. Okay, and you can see how these units are canceling. Okay? Last step is on another molar mass step. Again, following the units. What goes here?
Moles
1 mole.
and a gram on top. No, wait. Are we looking for
It is per 1 anytime you're doing molar mass.
Oh, we're looking for that.
And then now that we've already transferred between substances, so is this going to be different substance or same substance?
Same substance is going to be green.
Yes. And how many of you have molar mass of water memorized?
16. Well,
That would be 2 times the molar mass of hydrogen.
so 18. Yeah, that's funny. 2.02 plus 16.
Okay, then you're just anything on bottom you divide, anything on top you multiply.
1,
1,350. Everybody get it?
What? I got 1, 333.
Got it.
Got it.
Well, 2 sig figs. 3 sig figs, excuse me.
I did something.
You're wrong. I could have got it.
That's what I got.
You got 1350?
We got
Get around to
1352,
six.
but at zeros.
Oh,
Not six.
I must have typed it in.
Okay. Questions before I move on to the next one? Any? You look kind of funny, hey Rachel.
What? No, I got it.
No. Okay. Hey, you ready to go to something different?
I'm nice.
Is this the same stuff? Of course, it'll be right over it.
Oh, shoot. Well, we can read it down here.
Can ya?
Yeah. But some
Oh,
zeros and significant.
I know what I did wrong.
Did you?
Yeah.
Found it? Alright, from the previous problem, how many water
Me too.
when you water
Oh, God!
Who would do that?
Oh my.
It's been like a week.
Yeah.
Actually though,
That was
that might be why I got such a ow.
It's just the already set number. You already figure it out.
So hey, guess what? I just want to show you that this is the same problem. And so aren't the first 2 steps going to be exactly the same?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now here, let me explain what I'm trying to tell you here. We're starting with the same mass, we're doing the same problem, but instead of going to mass, we're taking a detour and going down to particles. So the first 2 steps are going to be exactly identical, so I'm just going to put them in. I wish I wouldn't have erased it. It
Bonds.
was 141.94.
Yes.
My calculator was
And then
always
3 over.
It was 3 over 1.
3 over 1.
Or wherever you got it.
All right, so That should all be the same because I'm dealing with the same problem, the same situation, same starting point. The only thing that's changing is instead of going from moles to mass, I'm going to take and go from moles to particles.
Avogadro.
Ooh, Avogadro's number. So now we're throwing in the third unit conversion. Okay, there's our first one, molar mass. There's our second one, mole ratio. And our third one is Avogadro's number. Well, unit-wise, let's get the units where they need to
Let's
go.
go moles. No, wait a minute. Particles. Woo! On top. No, I meant on top. I was thinking.
What is the particle?
6.122.
What is the
Molecule.
Thank you.
Nice.
9, always per 1 mole. And if I got a mole of any type of particle, how many particles do I have?
A mole. 6.22 times 10^3.
6.022 times 10 to
Let's go.
You gotta slap me about
Let's take a picture.
that.
20. Really beautiful.
Yeah, it is pretty. Jesus Christ.
Actually, probably not.
Big carrot.
Big carrot.
Yeah. JJ goes full on beautiful head.
What's the matter?
Oh, I'm working ahead, so I probably shouldn't ask.
Go, wait, go down.
Well, we're probably not going to get to the second and third, which are just the same as
No,
there.
I was-
Now you can.
Oh.
When he dismissed.
4.52 times 10.
So you should get 4.52 times 10 to the 25th.
I need to finish chemistry.
That's my favorite number.
I love the homework.
4.25.
Okay, your homework is the next page on your homework packet. Okay, I've showed you. Now, could I start at particles and go to mass? Is that possible? Could I start here? And could I go here?
Yeah.
Could I start here and go here?
Yeah.
Okay, but you're using the same 3 unit conversions we've been using now for a couple weeks.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh,
Fish are-
Yeah.
Does it keep going after this?
Wednesday.
Well, there's the early conversion where you can put volume in them. That's actually
That would have been a
that.
little hard. Will we be doing that this year? That's very good.
So we'll have to remember this for next time.
Okay. Have you done that?
Maddie, I got that. Fire over your head.
Wow!
No,
It's
that
so
is.
nice. I'm pretty sure it's
Ew.
Ew.
Okay.
It's the ceiling tile. It's ceiling tile.
It is the ceiling tile.
It is the
Yes.
ceiling tile.
the healing tile. The healing
Yeah,
tile.
I ceiling tile.
Oh, thank
Really scattered.
Damn!
Gross. You got Arturo's last night?
What? What?
Got spanked by North. I heard. Who? You got yanked on us. Well, we thought we were playing their freshman B team, but we were playing the team that like there's like the JV like seniors on there. All that. Some guy had like 6 3s on us.
I told you that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Andrew played really bad.
Woohoo!
Our Stevie played well.
Marty! Isaiah! Yay!
Wilson.
Isaiah! Driving a lot on my back. Dude, I play Fortnite.
What?
On Xbox.
Xbox One?
Yeah.
Oh!
Dude, I literally.
No, wait, do you have that Xbox One?
Yeah, I have an Xbox One.
You have an Xbox One?
I have an Xbox One.
You have an Xbox One at your house?
At my house, yeah.
Are you playing tonight?
Probably not. Dude, I'm literally the worst. I've never
with me.
The most I survived was like a minute. Isaiah, if you play Xbox One, you're flaming. Well, there's my little brother. I'm not about to spend $400 on
What?
I got my.
What was next?
So, Jamie, can you explain? I have a question.
What is this? This is not bad. Wait, who was playing?
That was that.
time. Grace, dead. You're throwing up while we're playing Clank. You're playing Clank while you were puking.
You know, I'm gonna play Clank while you're quizzing. Oh, you can't do that. Isaac, you gotta finish that game. I know you do.
Oh, did you guys come in early?
No, we stayed after school.
What are we gonna do? You would do all the math normally.
I think
Like 11, like hell over it.
and I got
One
one
way,
way.
or you can.
Wait.
I know the hard way. You gotta get up.
Get both.
That's true. You're kind of smart.
Well, how many make it? Divide by
But I'm pretty far away from any good.
Bring this over here.
Emma,
But then,
how many
instead
gigs
of
does
doing
your phone?
this, which is what it really is,
Yes.
they'll just.
I got a sweet back.
Okay, just tell me. So, omega is 10 to the 6th.
Emma, you're not gonna remember it.
Yeah, but then you gotta get everything over here back on. That's why I say.
Emma, look at that.
No, it's not for 20 because I would sit on the side that has less.
Oh, okay.
Like I was just.
I tried to do that, he was like,
No, I didn't try to do that. I tried to keep this away from equal.
okay. Well, then I woke up and I felt like it woke me up. Nano 9.
How long did you sleep? Oh yeah, I got a solid
Negative 9.
hours. No minutes.
Nano
Dude, my-
9. So if you're going from
Okay.
nano
Were you not here Friday?
to meters, you would go
Okay, so
5
node is a point where zero displacement. So displacement is when.
Stop! I swear to God.
So that would be a node.
You sent a picture last night. It was weird. I know you're like, and then oh, you're acting so weird. You're missing both.
Zero displacement. Yep. Anti-node is maximum weight vehicle limit.
Hey, anyone know the number 318?
Now,
Wait, me.
Hold on, we go to it. What? I hate you, I love you.
Guys, I'm ready to take a quiz.
I've been born ready. How was my
hey, right? Math.
Is you get 9th or 6th?
Velocity, so it's speed.
Assuming you don't.
Mega 6. Oh, Mega 6.
How do you not know this?
I don't know. Gemini are like the same word.
Okay.
Hey, we need to focus here. Do you guys
Yes.
want to go over your homework?
No.
I want to talk
Not unless it has to
yeah.
I don't have more quiz
What
time.
If I
could?
don't understand mid quiz,
It's
then
just like the.
it was
Well,
all.
I mean, it's
Stop
like
it.
the.
Yeah, dude, I'm sorry. I noticed pictures.
You're
Oh,
okay. Then get to your test locations. I'll get you guys homework later.
Let's go to this desk.
That's for tomorrow.
Let's go to this desk.
Isaac,
I hate you so much.
Matt, we're gonna have to label a wave.
Hey, stack the Clank desk. It goes crest, cross. The people in your
Let me tell you
Wait,
exactly what's on
what
it.
period? What's the period? Period from time.
Periods from cycle to cycle. How many
Wait,
takes
this
one
is
time?
Like from one to there.
But
like,
one top to one stop, crest to crest, drop to drop, or any like
Top wavelength. No.
That's the distance.
I'll give you
You're the time it takes. Yeah, so it's the same thing. You have to mark what is 2 minutes.
Rolling over.
I told us one of the.
Okay, put everything away, please. Thank you.
Oh, I found my note card.
Stop it. Oh, yeah, I know.
Flyer over.
Nice. Emma.
What?
Emma.
Why are these calculators always dead? Get a better calculator than $100 one. Alright.
Yeah, what are your physics?
I turned it on and it was like batteries.
Alright, here we go. You ready?
Absolutely.
No, why'd you start on that side?
I'm an asset. I'm always all the time 18.
What'd you say?
Can I get a
Oh
calculator?
my, holy shit, I can do this from here.
Yes.
Unit.
Oh, I do for this interaction.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a swallow. What's the matter?
That's only one side.
Huh, where's Avery?
He's actually very sick. Like,
I've never really gone
actually.
over it and like.
For as sick as you were, Bryce, you're looking real good today.
Oh, yeah. Slept for 24
It was like a 24-hour virus. I was over it,
You were out
and like I got outside of out of my bed for the first time on Saturday, and then I got outside for the first time on Sunday, and then I was back in everything back on Monday. And so
So you're gonna throw up on the court as an advantage?
yes,
It's gonna be
they will fear me.
For
tomorrow, I'm going to be gone as well because we have our great grandpa's funeral.
Okay.
So, is it just going to be what's in the note packet?
Tomorrow will be a review. Is
Oh,
that
okay.
in the note packet?
It's possible. I
Look.
didn't. I didn't.
I don't know.
Okay.
Look so that I can figure if I had to print it off for you.
It does not station. Okay.
Plugged in his calculator. Yes.
Bryce, do you know where the high school copy room is?
Yeah.
I'm printing off 13 of them. If you can go grab them for me, that'd be awesome.
All right.
Is this in you guys' book? Do you know what class would be reading this book?
Freshman.
Freshman?
I think I'm in the hot.
Is this the Hobbit?
No, it's not. That's one of the things.
Or
Wouldn't that
Oh.
be Annie and one creams?
Sorry,
It's a good book.